Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video we have a look of Tron TRX and what's the price change occur, what's the high price and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold TRX crypto. In this video I'm going to show you with a live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's see the price prediction of TRX. After that we decide it's time to buy, sell or hold. According to the price prediction we decide it. So friends, first of all we look for last 1 hour price prediction of TRX crypto. As you can see here, that is a live price prediction of TRX in the previous last 1 hour. So if we look the chart analysis of the TRX crypto, so it's still us that it's time to jumping upward after TRX crypto. They continuously jumping upward. Absolutely good news for all TRX holders. Congratulations to all TRX holders. So friends, if we look the changes of the TRX in the previous last 1 hour, so the changes is in positive 2.12% changes occurred in the TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour friends. And the high price of TRX is about $0.117884 is the high price of TRX in the previous last 1 hour. It's time of jumping of TRX crypto. So friends, if you want to buy TRX, it's time to buy TRX crypto. So friends, a lot of people have a holder of TRX crypto. What should they do at this time? We decide after looking the previous 2 hour price prediction. Let's see the 2 hour price prediction of the TRX crypto. After that we decide it's time to buy, sell or hold. As you know, it's the previous last 2 hour price prediction is also good. As you can see here, take a jumping period of TRX crypto. But if we look the jumping of the falling down of the TRX crypto, why they are fast for a later time? It's only one reason. It is the start of new month. As you know, it's the start of April. That is why they fast down for a little time. But don't worry about this falling. As you can see here, they are now currently in the jumping. So friends, if we see the average level change of the TRX, it's about positive 2.63% change occurs in the TRX in the previous last 2 hours, and the high price of TRX is about $0.117884 is the high price of TRX friends. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 2 hours, last 1 hour, it is clear that it's time of TRX crypto jumping. So friends, my suggestion for all of TRX holder to hold your TRX crypto, and people wants to buy TRX, my suggestion for all the people, it's time to buy TRX crypto because it's time of jumping TRX crypto. Buy TRX crypto if you are a holder to hold it with the end of this month. It's absolutely make you a millionaire in this month. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.